Yes. The first topic that we have done is reversible change. Yes. So Tanishka, what is reversible change?
The changes which can be reversed are called reversible change.
Yes,
Example,
very good.
we can change a blown balloon to its original size
Yes,
again.
very good. So, Yashika, what do you mean by irreversible change? Irreversible change. It is the second topic that we have covered. Yes, Girik.
Ma'am, irreversible changes are those changes which
Changes.
can be reversed.
The irreversible, but I am talking about irreversible.
Irreversible changes are those changes which can be not cannot be reversed
Very
are
good.
called irreversible.
Yes, very good. So, next what we have discussed? Expansion. What is expansion? Anyone knows? Yes, very good. Raise your hand. Anvi. Sorry, Avni. Yes, bache?
If we heat something, then its size becomes bigger than its
Yes.
original size. It's
Yes.
called expansion.
Okay. So, what is expansion? I am telling you a definition. Okay, again, a process in which when an object is heated, its size increases. Okay. Yes. What is expansion? I am telling you in easy language. So it is a process by which an object on heating increases its size or changes its shape. Okay. For example, I'm just giving you an example. On expansion, you all have seen railway tracks. Yes. So what is there? The rails are parallel to each other. The rails are always parallel to each other. These are not like this. They does not cut each other. Okay, so in these rails there is a small gap. Okay, there is a small gap between these rails. Yes, have you seen? Please raise your hand. Yes. So these are called expansion joints. ओके ऐसे क्यों नहीं बनाई जाती जो रेल्स है व्हाई अगर ऐसे बना दी गई तो व्हाट विल हैपन द बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेन खराब हो जाएगी अनबैलेंस हो जाएगी so it is not like in this way these two rails never cut each other otherwise if they cut the train will get unbalanced and it fall yes so the rails are always made parallel to each other why so why there are expansion joints what is their work anyone knows what happens on expansion what in the expansion process what happens for example abhi summer chal rahe hain so what will happen now yes hame
Ma'am, now the weather will be extremely hot.
yes then what will happen expansion will happen so I'm just giving an example for example it is the railway track at normal days in summer what will happen expansion takes place okay yes so expansion meaning is clear to you all Yes, that is, there is change in what? There is size, there is a change in size, or the object become bigger in size. Okay. Yes. So during expansion, during summers. Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the expansion again?
Okay. So what is the expansion? A process in which an object increases its size on heating. Now it is clear to you? On heating, what will happen? Size will increase. मतलब कि change होगा. Okay? It is a railway rails. Okay? Summers में क्या हो जाएगा? Expansion हो जाएगी. Yes, to avoid this, there is expansion joints. Okay? So, therefore, the gap is there in between the rails. Yes? So, what will happen in winter now? What will happen in winter? Yes, anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am,
Yes,
the
बच्चे?
track of the ma'am, the track of the train will be combined together.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
strongly.
yes, I am
Ma'am, in summer they lose.
what in winters, what will happen? There is a cold. Yes, there is cold. So in winters, the rails will contract. मतलब कि there is change in the size, that is decrease in the size of the rails. Yes. Okay. So its size becomes smaller in winters and bigger in summers. Therefore, there are joints. Okay. Yes, it is clear to you all. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. So, when the object changes its size, that is, it becomes smaller in size, what is the process we called it? What is the name of that process?
Contraction.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Ishta?
contraction. Ma'am, contraction.
Yes,
Contraction.
contraction. Yes, very good. What is the name of the process? Contraction. What is its definition? A process in which an object decreases its size or becomes smaller in size. You can also, if you can't write the increase, you can also write when the size becomes smaller on cooling. But the point is cooling. Yes. So it is, these terms are clear to you all. Very good. Now we will proceed. Next, I will give another example of this expansion and contraction. Yes. For example, it is a pole, electric pole. Okay. And it is another pole. थोड़ा सही बना देते हैं आप, आपने कहना मैं आपको ड्राइविंग नहीं आती है, चलो ठीक है. Okay. So it is an electric pole. So there are wires in between them. Have you ever seen these wires are hang? These wires are not hang tightly. Yes, These wires are not tied like this. It is like this, freely. Yes, why? Anyone knows?
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
Ma'am.
Hrideka, yes.
क्योंकि मैम because summers में मैम जो है वो मैम because of contraction and
Very
expansion.
good. So in summers, these wires are hang loosely. Okay, in summers and winters both. Always, it means always the wires are hang loosely. In summers, what will happen?
It expands.
It expands. Very good. And in winters, what will happen?
It contracts.
It will
Yes, it will
contract.
Okay. Yes. So in winters, due to the low temperature or that is cold climate, the metal wires contract. Yes. On the other hand, in summers, due to hot climate, metal wires expand. Yes. If we hang the wires too much tightly, what will happen? These wires may break because in winters it will contract. Okay, due to that contraction, it may happen that these wires will break. Okay, it is clear to you all? Yes. Any doubt? So we have done the we have done till now expansion and contraction. Yes. So in expansion and contraction, first we have studied about the iron blade and wooden handle example. Next example is of wheel and rim. Yes. Third example is of this railway tracks. Yes. Fourth is of this poles, electric poles. That is, electric wires are always hang loosely. Yes. Now, there is any question in my mind. Any student will answer it. Okay. So during summers,
Doubt.
yes, yes, बच्चे.
मैम इन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन आपने बताया था कि ऑन कूलिंग लिखना है, हम ऑन फ्रीजिंग भी लिख सकते हैं.
On freezing. Yes, बच्चे, but it is not applicable in the case of wires. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, because you are getting my point. आप freezing लिख सकते हैं, size freeze हो, mean obviously the size will decrease, but it is not applicable in the case of wires or any other material. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जैसे कि रेल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती हैं तो उससे कुछ ट्रेन को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, एक्सपैंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
Yes. वही मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछने लगी थी. What will the effect if the expansion takes place? Anyone knows this question? Sorry, answer of this question. What will happen? Yes. Please raise your hand. Hitesh. Yes, बच्चे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning.
Ma'am, in expansion the tracks will move and the train will fall upside down.
Yes. What will happen during the expansion? There is a bend. Okay, takes place in the tracks, and also the train fell down. And in contraction, what will happen? There will, if the railway rails are very much contracted, then it may happen that there may be cracks in between the metal. Okay, because railway tracks are made up of metal. Yes.
No, yes.
So matter contracts and expands on heating and cooling.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can also take the example of balloon.
In this process,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Like when it is in shadow, it comes smaller, and when it is in the in मैम जब वो धूप में होता है तो मैम वो बड़ा हो जाता है.
in this, actually we are talking about only metals. Okay, that the metals, what is happening to metals? Okay, we are not considering here gases. Okay, because the balloon contains gas. Okay, we are only talking about metals. Yes. So obviously, if we talk about gas, what will happen? It will expand. You are saying right. Okay, it will expand and contract also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम तो फिर जो एक्सपेंशन जॉइंट होता है वो एक्सपेंशन और कंट्रैक्शन हमसे बचाता है रेलवे ट्रैक्स को.
Sorry. Repeat your question.
Ma'am, expansion joint protects the railway tracks from expansion.
Yes. They protects the. It is the joint. Okay. It is a joint and there is a gap between the railway tracks. It protects the railway tracks from expansion and contraction. Okay. In this type, the tracks were made. Okay. So now we will move to the next example.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
if there is not too hot, not too cold, the metal will remain of same size.
Yes, if there is no summer or no winter, okay, then it will remain in its size. Okay, normal size में रहेगी. Effect तब होगा जब when there is summers and winters. Okay. Yes. Next is yes, बच्चे.
Ma'am, you have written here summers and winters. In summers and winters, wires hang loosely. But in winters, the wire don't means they contract, so they should hang tightly.
Actually, the thing I am saying that it may break if it is too tight.
Okay, ma'am.
Where it is written?
Ma'am, on the board you have written summers and winters. In summers and winters,
Oh,
wires hang loosely.
yes, obviously. Always I am talking about the all situations. Okay, I have written it after it.
Okay, ma'am.
There is no confusion. Okay, always the wires are hanged loosely. Okay, then I have told about summers and winters. What happens? Okay, in this way. There is no concern with these. Okay. So next, coming to the example of on page number 49. There are two boxes. Yes, this and this. On page number 49, Bujo has often noticed that road construction workers heat a black material tar for repairing a road. Repairing a road, he wants to know whether the change caused in tar by heating can be reversed. So, during the construction, the workers use material that is called tar. Okay, so when they make a road, okay, what they use a black material called tar. What they do first, they will heat the tar. Okay, they will heat the tar and then spread it on the road. Okay, so when it is spread on the road, what happens? It cools down. Yes, and then it become, and on cooling, it become solid. Yes, therefore the roads are solid. Yes, on heating, when the tar is very hot, then what they do, they spread it on the road. Okay, after that the tar becomes cool. Yes, and then it is converted to solid. What type of change it is? It can be reversed or it cannot be reversed. Anyone? Yes, please raise your hand. Yes, Harshpreet Singh.
Ma'am, it cannot be reversed.
It cannot be reversed. If I told you it is, if I tell you that it is reversible, then yes, it is a reversible process. Sorry, reversible change. Reversible change. Why? How? Because it is a reversible change because when the tar is heated, okay, when the tar is heated, it is in liquid form. It becomes in liquid form, and when it cools down, it becomes solid. Yes, similarly, we can also convert this stage to, if we again heat this solid tar, then what will happen? The liquid tar will be formed. So it is not irreversible example, it is an example of reversible change.
मैम
Yes,
मैम टार क्या होता है?
आपने रोड बंदी देखी है कभी? They use a yellow colored machine or any other color also. There is a black material, there is a black thick liquid is used, which also contains some stones. Yes,
मैम जिसको कहते हैं
हाँ जी,
मैम लुक
हाँ यस यस, जिसको लुक बोलते हैं पंजाबी में, ठीक है? So it is called tar. Yes, so on heating it will convert into a liquid, okay, and it will spread into the road, then it solidifies on cooling. Yes, so it is an example of reversible change. Clear? Keep this thing in mind, it is not irreversible. Okay, now next coming to the,
उसमें मैम
yes,
मैम जब वो रोड पे बिछ जाता है तो फिर दोबारा से उसे हटा सकते हैं?
yes, उसको सॉलिड को लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं ऑन हीटिंग, ऐसे ही नहीं वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, ऑन हीटिंग. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज, यस,
मैम कल आपने जो होमवर्क दिया था मैम वो अभी डिस्कस करवाना है आपने?
yesterday we have discussed already बच्चे.
Ma'am, no.
जो
third.
question number 3.
Ma'am, yes.
me, ma'am.
Yes, we will discuss it. Just 1 minute. After this, we will discuss the homework. Okay. So next is blacksmiths making some. Yes.
Ma'am, how the tar is made?
How the tar is made? It contains a thick black liquid in which stones are mixed and then it is put onto the road. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a black thick liquid that is used in which the stones are mixed and then it is spread on the road. Okay. So next is Pehli wants to know if you have ever seen a blacksmith making some tools. How does a blacksmith change a piece of iron into different tools? Okay, you know who is blacksmith? Blacksmith.
मैम क्या
Yes.
मैम जो ब्लेड बनाते हैं मैम जो ब्लेड बनाते हैं
क्या बनाते हैं?
मैम ब्लेड
Okay. Who is blacksmith? Blacksmith. Only 10 minutes left. बच्चे. Okay. So blacksmith who make iron tools. Iron tools. Yes. So what he do? He change the shape of iron into any other shape. For example, it is any strip of iron or any rod of iron. What he do? He will convert this rod of iron into any shape. Yes. So it is reversible or irreversible? He can convert the iron rod of iron into any shape. When this process will happen? Anyone knows? So I am telling you, क्या करते हैं? पहले वो rod of iron ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? उसको क्या करते हैं? हीट. कब तक हीट करना है? जब तक वो रेड हॉट नहीं हो जाता. It becomes red in color.
मैम it is reversible.
Yes, it is reversible. Rod of iron is heated till red hot. Okay. Then what will happen? This red hot iron will become soft. Yes. And now the iron is soft. It can be bent into any shape. It can be drawn into any shape, any type of shape. For example, this shape or this shape. It can be bent into any shape. Okay. So it is reversible change. What will happen? Rod of iron is heated till red hot. It will become soft and we will give it any shape, any type of shape. If you don't like the shape, reverse the process again. Heat the iron again. Yes, it will become red hot. Then again the same process takes place. Okay. So next is there is physical and chemical change. Physical and chemical change. I'm just giving you an example. There is a candle activity also that we will do tomorrow. Okay. Firstly, we will understand what is physical change and chemical change. Okay. So what is physical change? A change in which no new product is formed. Okay, in which no new product is formed. For example, it is a paper. Yes, if I fold it, is there any new product is formed? No, there is no any product is formed. If I tear this paper, if I tear this paper, is there any type of new product is formed?
No, ma'am.
No, because it is also paper, it is also paper. No new product is formed. Yes. So now next is, if I
burn the paper.
yes, I am coming to that point. Firstly, we will discuss about physical change only. If I cut this vegetable, okay, is there any change? Is there any new product is formed?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
there is only change in the shape of the potato, but there is no new product is formed. Yes, very good. Now, if I break this mastic, is there any new product is formed? It is also what? It is also. Yes. Now next coming to the chemical changes. So, in which new product is formed is called chemical change. Yes. If I burn a paper, is there any chemical change taking place? We will see it.
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is any chemical change takes place?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why it created a this
Because
type of
it is
material?
converted into ash.
Yes, it is a
Converted into ash.
chemical change. For example, if in this mastic, is there any chemical change happen?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, because the product that is found is black in color now.
ash.
Similarly, ash. What we call it? Ash. Yes. So, what are physical changes in which no new product is formed? Yes. And what is chemical change in which?
Products are formed.
Yes, in which new products are formed.
Saffron.
For example, if we are cooking food, it is physical change or chemical change?
Chemical change.
Yes, it is chemical change. It is chemical, bache, because new product is formed na. Yes. Uh,
54
breaking of glass. Yes, breaking of glass is an
Physical
example of
change.
physical change or chemical change? Physical change. Yes, because
Physical change.
yes, very good. If I talk about ripening of mango, it is chemical or physical?
Chemical change.
Because a new product is formed, we don't get the raw mango again. Yes, a new product is formed now. Yes, so now we will discuss question number 3. The sawing of a piece of wood, it can be reversed or no? We are cutting a paper. Yes, Prisha?
Physical change.
No, you have to tell me it can be reversed or it cannot be reversed. It is reversible.
Ma'am, please
Reversible.
repeat.
The sawing of a piece of wood. We are. I am talking about question number 3. That is the homework.
Ma'am, it is irreversible.
Yes, it is irreversible. Melting of ice candy. Reversible. Yes, very good. Dissolving sugar in water.
Irreversible.
It is, students, it is reversible. Why? Because when we heat, okay, we have dissolved sugar in water. Dissolve कर दिया हमने. Now we can separate the sugar also. How? We will heat the water. Okay, then what will happen? Water will evaporate and it will convert into water vapor. Yes, and the that we get in the pan is sugar. Yes, so it is reversible. Cooking of food. Cooking of food.
Irreversible.